Good morning from Parañaque, Philippines. And I don't have my voice, maybe too much activities, but just wanted to come on here because I haven't been here for a while. As most of you may know, I've been on vacation. Went home to the Philippines to be with family, and for a very, much deserved and needed pause from everyday life. Back home in LA. So I hope you can hear me well. I don't know why I have a frog voice. I guess just really too tired from a lot that's been happening. And also for the past few days, haven't been feeling 100%, I guess, because of too much food. But that's how we are. As Balikbayans, we always indulge in the food that we miss. But yeah, this is just me coming from my parents, from our roof deck here, here in Parañaque. So since we're here in the Philippines, medyo magta-Tagalog muna tayo. Ano ba? Maaga ngayon, I think it's like 7:20 a.m. And syempre, wala pa masyadong hila-hilaw. Wala pa rin masyadong kape. Di ba ako nagkakape? But just wanted to come on here to also welcome my new page viewers and new page followers. Maraming salamat po for landing here on my Facebook business page. And just wanted to do a quick recap or realization while I'm here in the Philippines. So I'm in my duster, ano. And excuse my voice again. Makaupo nga. I hope you could hear the roosters in my background. So yun ang maganda sa atin sa Pilipinas, na gigisingin ka ng mga chickens, ng mga roosters. And yeah, so I know I have the fan on here, but I hope you can hear me. So just a quick realization on my trip here, during my trip here sa Pilipinas. I've come to realize na ibang-iba talaga ang buhay dito sa Pinas. Teka, nadidistract yata ako sa aking salamin. Kaya tanggalin natin. Ibang-iba ang buhay dito. I think some people may have noticed na iba ang aura ko dahil syempre mas relaxed. Teka ha, maglalagay nga muna tayo ng title natin dito para hindi tayo maano. Sige, later na. Anyway, again, good morning. So, pansin ng ibang mga tao, mas relaxed sa aking aura. Hindi masyadong nagmamadali. Although, syempre, meron pa rin little mother's instinct lang naman na ano tayo, mga alert tayo with the kids, gano'n. Pero iba talaga ang buhay compared sa LA, sa US, na laging nagmamadali, laging atubili, ano ba, lalim, no? Laging parang, parang laging nahabol, na laging, hindi naman taranta, pero laging on the go. Laging on the go, which is, sometimes good, pero hindi siya maganda sa health. Hindi siya maganda sa health. Pero I don't know really what the difference is. Hindi ko masyadong, well, kung mapipinpoint ko siguro sa Pilipinas, kasi meron tayong mostly, no, meron mga household help. Pero hindi, mas relax lang talaga ang vibe sa Pilipinas. Mas masayahin, mas relaxed, mas magaang. Mas magaang. Pero yun nga ba, sabihin mo tayo, ba't ka punta-punta sa US? Ganyan. Madaming mga kababayan sa atin na napadpad sa ibang bansa for different reasons na personal, na of course most of us don't even have to explain. But as for me, yun nga, okay naman ang buhay ko sa Pilipinas. Something lang na nagpupul sa akin noon why I had to come back, to go back to the US twice even, right? And just so happened also that I created a new life there. Sometimes hindi ko rin ma-explain talaga, but something else has really been pulling me. I guess there's a reason for everything, di bang ika nga po. There's a reason for everything. And now, dalawa ng anak at ganito ang buhay na medyo kakaiba from ano ang mga nakagisnan, tsaka ano ang mga buhay na ating mga kasama dito sa Pilipinas. Pero, yun nga, na-realize ko, iba-iba naman ang hugot sa buhay. Iba-iba ang ating mga journey sa buhay, mga pinagdadaanan at mga nalalandingan na buhay, right? So, I also have come to realize that because, of course, I always relate it to my business, not because this is my business page. So, while I have my full-time job sa US, ang mga nakaka-relate talaga sa akin more is yung mga nasa ibang bansa rin. Because it's not necessarily na taga-Pilipinas ay yung mga taga-Pilipinas ay magkakaroon ng need for such an online business. Although I'm saying na while this can be for everybody, hindi talaga siya para sa lahat. Dahil nako-compare ko, ang mga nasa Pilipinas is I don't know, siguro yung mga kakilala ko, no, they live very comfortably, which is a blessing. But iba lang talagang dynamic ng buhay sa Pilipinas compared sa US. Sa US, kahit nagmamadali kami at lagi kaming, parang laging, ang attention namin parang masyadong, hindi divided na nga sa pagkakaroon ng anak, sa pagkakaroon ng full-time job, tapos meron pang syempre mga gawaing bahay. May time pa rin to do an online business because it's automated. Whereas, pag sa Pilipinas, masyado, which is a good thing, relaxed ang mga tao na may time, most of the time nga, mga work from home, mga tao dito, which is a blessing, of course. So, iba lang talaga ang dynamic. So, yung mga kalala ko dito, maybe would think na, ano ba yung online business na yan? Bakit ka ba nagaganyan? Siyempre, I have my own reasons, no? Pero most of the time talaga nakaka-relate is yung mga nasa ibang bansa. Ibang-iba ang dynamic talaga ng pangangailangan ng someone to have a side hustle. So, depende rin sa tao. Law, tiyadang ka. Brother, dito ka. Ibang-iba rin talaga ang pangangailangan iba lang talaga ang may need ng for side hustle as opposed to someone who wants a business na yun lang talaga ang concentration mo. So, if you're business-minded, if you're an entrepreneur, okay para sa itong not side business, okay para sa itong online business na ito. And also, if you're someone na sobrang busy na kailangan pa rin ng hustle, okay pa rin ito dahil automated to. Pero yun lang, ano bang point ng gulay ko? No-compare ko lang talaga ang life ng someone from ibang bansa, like for me, from the US, compared sa someone na talagang taga-Pinas. So, iba-iba man ang journey natin sa buhay, iba-iba rin ang pangailangan, at iba-iba rin ang reasons why we do things. And not necessarily that all the time that people can relate to it, or not necessarily that all the time people can understand it, but we all have our different hugots in life na most of the time we don't have to justify, but may makaka-relate at makaka-relate sa atin. Dahil mom to mom, immigrant to immigrant, kapwa Pinoy to kapwa Pinoy, merong something dyan na mag-resonate sa atin. So, kung nasan ka man ngayon sa buhay mo, anong journey mo sa buhay mo, be it gusto mong mas magkaroon ng financial freedom, mas magkaroon ng financial gain, or, to hustle more apart from your full-time job, just like me, it's worth checking out. Kasi ako, member ako ng almost 260,000 na yata kami ngayon around the world. And it's not all the time that I get to explain it here sa mga videos ko because we have a process, we have a system. So, but mainly, this is digital attraction marketing, and I get to do it while I'm on vacation. So, I get to show up for my business while I'm on vacation. Kasi nga, online lang siya, smartphone lang kailangan, and sometimes laptop for you to set up your campaigns and advertising and stuff, right? But we teach everything. But yun lang, gusto ko lang magkaroon ng realization moment dahil hindi pa ako nakapag-live for a long time, especially while here on vacation. But I'm just really grateful and blessed na I get to spend these 2 weeks in the Philippines with my family. Much needed pause and vacation from my everyday life in Los Angeles. Kasi masyado nang harag ang lola mo. Pero naman nakapagpa-hair treatment na kahapon. Hindi ko yan magagawa sa US dahil sobrang busy nga, tsaka sobrang mahal. So, when in the Philippines, diba, you get, you grab na the opportunity ng lahat ng mga na-miss mo. So, ayan, namaos na ako. Kaya, nagpa-facial na rin tayo. So, medyo iba ang oras siguro. Pero anyway, I hope to get to catch this on the replay, even with my raspy voice, and I hope to generate a translation for this one. But just really wanted to share with you and to voice out my comparison kung bakit most of immigrants are doing side hustles such as this. And yeah, and some people might not be in that same wavelength for now, but I think it is for everybody in the sense na if you want to do something automated on the side, this can be for you. So, you know where to reach me. Most of you know me. Yeah, nito lang tayo. I'm not here to bug anybody, but just really wanted to soak in and, you know, share, soak in the experience, you know. Sana dito pa ako for a longer time, you know, with my family, because that's really what it's all about. Ay, naku, yung mag-emotional. Anyway, so, kamusta dyan kung nasan man kayo to my family back home in the US and my family here in the Philippines. Yeah, yun lang. Ito pa rin tayo. Same old, but different na ang pinaglalaban. So, yun lang naman ang gusto kong i-share na, and I always go back to where I come from. Ang mga hugot natin may be different, but ganun pa rin, pag nagsama-sama, ganun pa rin ang pinanggalingan at ang aura natin, because we always have to look back kung saan tayo nanggaling. Now, when I say na I don't look back in terms of business, it means go na go ako dito, tuloy na tuloy ako dito, because I've started this a few years back and I've met the people behind it. I've met the founders behind it. I've used the products along with it, which I do not sell, by the way, and which I really patronize and you know, I appreciate the value of. So ano ba? Ito lang. Sige, tour ko na lang kayo para ano. So dito ako sa roof deck / kitchen churva na aking childhood home na medyo in-improve na. So, kuha tayo ng vitamin D ng konti. They're having breakfast downstairs. My kids slept here. So, medyo tour muna tayo. But anyway, so, I hope I get to do another go live before I leave. This is the street where I grew up. Medyo naging crowded na yung street, but ganito lang, buhay sa Pilipinas. I think it's just really simpler here. Mas chillax. At saka masayahin ang mga tao. Though sa US naman, talagang tawag dito, trabaho, ganun talaga. But of course, we get to enjoy other perks as well of being in a first world country, ano. Pero iba lang talaga sa Pilipinas, masyadong masayahin ng mga tao, mas relaxed ako dito, and I'm grateful for this experience na nakauwi. Dahil last year pa ako dapat umuwi, but something happened, like I had a medical scare, right? So this is just a really much needed break for me and my family. So I'm thankful for it. I want to have more of it, and I know it's possible with my sideline. Because madami po sa amin na nakapagbakasyon ng months and months at a time. Ang sarap, di ba? Pero yun nga. So, thank you for those watching. Hi, Emetso, you know who you are. Dito ako sa roof deck ko. Namaos ng ang lola dahil masyado madami activities at kain ng kain. Na napagod na rin yung tiyan ko. Pero masaya talaga. Ang daming magandang experience. And if I were here longer, mas madami pa akong magagawa. At mas madami pa akong videos and pictures na masashare sa inyo. Pasensya na, busy lang, but stay tuned for my edits, for my pictures and videos. Share ko sa inyo kung ano naging experience natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, I have to join my family downstairs. Mag-Enchanted Kingdom pa kami mamaya, even with this raspy voice. So, yeah, magsisimba pala kami ngayon dahil Sunday. So, it's my first time to attend Mass here sa bagong, sa improved na parish namin dito sa aming village. So, I'm looking forward to that, to sit down at Mass with the community here. Kasi, syempre, ilang taon na ako hindi nakakasimba dito, no? Ayun. So, yung mga kids nandito, natutulog, nag-slumber sila dyan. Slumber. Pero ito, tour of the roof deck. Kanina, maririnig nyo yung mga rooster, ayan. Marinig nyo yung mga manok na gumigising sa atin dito sa Paranaque. Somewhere there. So, ayan. Yun lang. Kakagising ko lang. Just wanted to do a video. Dahil grateful tayo na nandito tayo. At syempre, kinoconnect natin sa business dahil ito yung aking business page. So, yun. I hope may nakuha ko yung value. At kahit papano. So, kakain ako dahil gutom na naman ako. Syempre, kahit lagi tayong kumakain, gutom pa rin. Hi to everyone who's watching. I hope you get to catch this on the replay. I hope I get to generate translation of this para sa ating mga non-Tagalog speakers. But thank you so much for being here. Welcome po. And I will see you soon.